Taliban is currently on the gates of the Kabul airport. They haven't entered Kabul airport because the United States is virtually begging them so that they shouldn't enter Kabul airport and allow United States to complete the evacuation process of the American citizens, the Afghans whom Americans are intended to take inside their country as refugees. And not only them, but even the other nations who want to carry out the evacuation process, even they need to be dependent over the American forces who are currently guarding the Afghan national capital Kabul airport. So all these things have actually been there, but now what we are hearing is that from several sources we got to hear that around 150 Indians were taken away by Taliban from the gates of Kabul airport. You can imagine the horror that has been occurred in the minds of those people who have been taken from the Kabul airport, from the very gates from where they can get a passage through which the Indian Air Force flight which was there on the airport, the Kabul airport, can evacuate them out of Afghanistan. But they were taken away by Afghanistan, Taliban, and not only those Taliban have taken them away, but they are questioning them of the identity. They are questioning several things regarding them, and the Indian government is believed to be in contact with the Taliban for the release of all these Indians. And this is something which the Indian government was expecting. Taliban was trying to put hard their fresh image that they had changed from what they were in the 1990s. But what we are seeing at the moment is they hadn't. Instead, the picture that we are going to see now, what we are witnessing now, is the much more of what in the 1990s could have faced. Though they are trying to put on a different face, but behind the scenes they are doing the same thing, and the world cannot trust them. And India have already made this point that we cannot trust Taliban at the moment, and they are not trustworthy. And these are the reports that are proving all those things that India has said 110% correct. Because the world can't depend upon Taliban, and they are evacuating their citizens, they are evacuating Afghans, they are evacuating their missions, everything out of Afghanistan. India have been doing so, but Taliban is blocking even the evacuation. Whether the Taliban have made this statement that we will allow everyone to evacuate, whoever wants to evacuate their citizens out of Afghanistan, we won't block that. But what we are witnessing is they are trying to not only block that, but even prevent the people from getting into the city, the Kabul city, because a large number of people are in different cities of Afghanistan. From there on, they will have to move to Kabul, and this isn't possible without Taliban support. And Taliban is blocking that because around 1,000 Indians are currently in different parts of Afghanistan, whom the government of India is working to bring in all of them to the Kabul city and to the Kabul airport so that the Indian Air Force can then evacuate them. Because today around 85 Indians have been evacuated by an Indian Air Force plane, and they are currently in Tajikistan, where condition is quite satisfactory and they are safe. And Indian government have gone there to actually get those 150 Indians who were at the gates of Kabul airport to evacuate them. But now the news that came, the Indian Air Force flight is there on the airport, but the 150 Indians, they have been taken away by the Taliban. And those 1,000 Indians who are expected to be in different cities of Afghanistan, there is still no plan, there is still nothing. We don't know virtually anything that what's happening with them. And the government is saying that, though the government hasn't made any point official, but all these are from the sources, that the government is trying to engage Afghanistan, the Taliban there, so that to allow the Indians to evacuate from the Afghanistan. And not only the Indians, but even the Afghans who have worked with India, India wants all of them to evacuate properly and safely from Afghanistan. But it's unclear. In fact, no one can even think whatever going on with the Taliban, and given their past record and even what they are doing right now, that it's going to be an easy task. And trusting Taliban is like putting yourself on the murder class.